Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn one of the most useful real-life English skills. How to order food and drinks at a restaurant like a native speaker. Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. The waiter smiles and says hello. And suddenly you freeze. You forget every English word you know. Don't worry. That won't happen anymore. Let's practice together until speaking English at a restaurant feels natural. Grab a notebook and let's get started. Whether you're traveling abroad, dining out with friends, or just practicing your English, this lesson is for you. We'll cover all the essential vocabulary, phrases, and cultural tips to help you feel confident and natural every time you eat out. Here's what we'll cover. Greeting the staff, ordering food and drinks, asking about the menu, making special requests, handling problems, paying the bill, giving feedback, and more. You'll also hear real-life dialogues. So you can see how these phrases work in context. Part 1. Arriving and getting seated. You arrive at a restaurant. The host is standing by the entrance. Host, good evening. Welcome to Olive Grove Restaurant. Do you have a reservation? You, yes, it's under Emily Carter. Or, no, I don't. Do you have a table available for one? Host, let me check. Yes, we do. Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking? You, non-smoking please. Or, do you have any outdoor seating available? Host, yes, we have tables on the patio or the rooftop. You, the rooftop sounds great, thanks. Host, wonderful. Please follow me. Host, here's your table. Is this okay? You, yes, it's perfect. Thank you. Part 2. Ordering drinks. You've just been seated. The waiter returns with water and a menu. Waiter, good evening. My name is David, and I'll be your waiter tonight. May I help you with your napkin? You, no, I'm good. Thanks. Waiter, would you like some water to start with? You, yes, sparkling water please. Waiter, here's some water for you. Would you like to start with something else to drink? You, yes, I'd like a lemonade please. Waiter, of course. Would you like it sweetened or unsweetened? You, unsweetened, please with a slice of lemon if possible. Waiter, got it. We also have a drinks menu if you'd like to take a look. You, sure, thank you. What do you recommend? Waiter, the strawberry mojito is very popular. We also have fresh mango smoothies. You, that sounds good. I'll try the strawberry mojito. Thank you. Waiter, would you like to see our wine list? You, yes, please. I'm in the mood for red wine. Waiter, we have Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Pinot Noir. You, could I have a glass of Pinot Noir please? Part 3. Asking about the menu. You're looking at the menu and want to learn more about some dishes. You, excuse me, could you tell me what the special is today? Waiter, sure. We have grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce, steak with seasonal vegetables, and pesto pasta with basil sauce. You, that sounds delicious. Does it come with any sides? Waiter, yes, it's served with roasted vegetables and garlic mashed potatoes. You, great. And what about the soup? Is it vegetarian? Waiter, yes, it's made with fresh seasonal vegetables and vegetable broth. Completely vegetarian. You, perfect. I'm also allergic to nuts. Does the pesto pasta contain any? Waiter, yes, it does. It has pine nuts. Would you like me to suggest something nut-free? You, yes, please. That'd be great. You, by the way, do you have any starters? Waiter. Yes, we have bruschetta, soup of the day, and stuffed mushrooms. Part 4. Ordering food. Now that you've asked your questions, it's time to place your order. Waiter, are you ready to order, or do you need more time? I think I'm ready. I'll have the grilled salmon and a steak as well, please. Waiter, would you like anything added or removed from the dish? Could I have some garlic sauce and extra lemon on the side, please? Waiter, absolutely. And how would you like your steak cooked? Medium rare, please. Do you have any dessert options? Waiter, yes, we have raspberry mousse, chocolate lava cake and vanilla panna cotta. They all sound great. What do you recommend? Waiter, the raspberry mousse is very popular, light, fruity, and not too sweet. Alright, I'll try the raspberry mousse then. Waiter, great. Let me read your order back to make sure I didn't miss anything. Waiter. So that's bruschetta for your starter, grilled salmon and steak for your main course and raspberry mousse for dessert. Yes, that's correct. Part 5, Special Requests and Modifications. You've chosen your dish but want to request some changes. Excuse me, could I ask for a small change to my order? Waiter, of course. What would you like? Can I have the pasta without cheese? Waiter, certainly. No cheese. And could the sauce be served on the side? Waiter, absolutely. I'll make a note of that. Is it possible to substitute the fries with a salad? Waiter, yes, we can swap the fries for a house salad. No extra charge. Also I can't eat gluten. Is the soup gluten-free? Waiter, let me double-check with the kitchen. One moment, please. A few moments later. Waiter, good news, the vegetable soup is gluten-free. Perfect. I'll have that as my starter then. Part 8, Describing Food, Negative or Neutral Feedback. You've tasted your food, but something doesn't feel quite right. Waiter, how's everything with your meal? It's alright, but it's not exactly what I was expecting. Waiter, oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Would you like me to bring you something else? No, that's okay. It's just a bit too salty for me. Waiter, I understand. Would you prefer something milder? I can recommend a lighter dish. Actually, yes. Do you have anything with less seasoning? Waiter, the grilled chicken with steamed vegetables is quite mild. That sounds better. Can I switch to that? Waiter, certainly. I'll bring it out as soon as it's ready. Sorry, but my fish seems a bit undercooked. Waiter, I'm very sorry about that. Let me take it back and have it cooked more thoroughly. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Part 9, Paying the Bill. You finished your meal and are ready to leave. Excuse me, could we get the bill please? Waiter, of course. I'll bring it right over. A moment later. Waiter, here's your bill. Please take your time. Thank you. Is service included? Waiter, yes, a 15% service charge has been added. But you're welcome to add more if you'd like. Great, thanks. Can I pay by card? Waiter, absolutely. Visa and MasterCard are both accepted. Here's my card. And could you please add a 5% tip as well? Waiter, of course. I'll take care of that. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. In case you're dining with others. Would it be possible to split the bill? Waiter, sure. How would you like to split it? Evenly, or by what each person ordered? Let's split it evenly, please. Waiter, all right. I'll print 2 separate receipts. I was thinking we could go Dutch. Friend, sounds good to me. Part 10, Cultural Tips and Etiquette. Learn some important cultural tips and polite behavior when dining out. In English-speaking countries, tipping 15 to 20% is common in restaurants, especially in the US and Canada. Don't forget to say please and thank you. Politeness goes a long way. Meals are often enjoyed slowly, especially in fancier places. Don't feel rushed. It's okay to ask questions about the menu, staff are usually happy to help. When you finish eating, place your knife and fork parallel on the plate, this signals that you're done. If something's not right, feel free to speak up, just do it politely. Part 11, Practice Scenarios. Let's practice what we've learned. Scenario 1, Casual dinner with friends. Waiter, hi there. Welcome to Chili Cafe. Table for two? You, yes, please. No reservation. Waiter, right this way. Later. Waiter, can I get you something to drink? You, I'll have a cola, please. Friend, just water for me. Waiter, ready to order? You, I'll take the cheeseburger with fries. Friend, and I'll have the grilled chicken salad. Scenario 2, Fancy dining experience. Host, good evening and welcome to La Bellissima. Do you have a reservation? You, yes, under Johnson, 4-3 at 7 p.m. Seated and ready. Waiter, good evening. I'm Daniel, your waiter. Would you like to start with some drinks? You, yes, I'll have a glass of red wine please. Friend, I'd love a cocktail. What do you recommend? Waiter, our signature mojito is very popular. Friend, sounds great. I'll try that. Scenario 3, Handling a food issue. You, sorry to bother you, but my steak is undercooked. I asked for medium well. Waiter, I apologize. I'll take it back and have it cooked a bit more. You, thanks for understanding. Part 12, Conclusion. Ordering food in English is easy with the right phrases and practice. Speak naturally. Avoid confusion. Feel confident and polite. Now it's your turn. Practice these phrases aloud. You could even act out the dialogues with a friend or try recording yourself. Let me know what's your favorite meal to order when you eat out. Write it in the comments and share how you'd order it in English. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next video. See you soon.